In this video I'm going to show you how to move your photos to iCloud storage on your iPhone. So what you want to do is open up your settings. From your settings you want to click on your Apple ID and then click on iCloud and then click on Photos. And you want to make sure that this iPhone is turned on. And of course here you can see other options like how many is it in storage, in iCloud. Do you want to optimize iPhone storage or keep the originals? What that means is that if your iPhone is low on space, full resolution photos and videos are automatically placed with smaller device size version, and full resolution versions can be downloaded from iCloud at any time. And that's basically it. Once you have added this option, you need to go back, click on iCloud backup, click on backup now, and then that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.